Nearby, a woodcutter was in the forest and heard the scream. He ran to the house just to see the wolf attacking the little girl. He hit the wolf over the head, and this made the wolf open his mouth and shout. The granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and the Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again. I tell you, it's always a classic. I love this book. What'd you think?
Can I be honest with you? That was the stupidest shit I ever fucking heard. Alright, you know, like, you invited me over here, you said, like, let's go kayaking, you know? And then you just start sitting down and reading this, but I thought you were fucking joking, like, the first hour. Like, you literally wasted, like, 3 hours of my life, like, 3.5, actually. You know, I remember back in kindergarten they reading the story and stuff, and it wasn't as bad, you know, and like now that you just like reread it, it just totally reinforced that how terrible of a story that was. I had like 4 people that wanted to hang out today. And I came to hang out with you because I thought we were going kayaking.
Well, we could have went kayaking.
I'm fucking leaving, alright?
Wait, you don't have to leave. But dude, don't ask me to hang out ever fucking again.